Hello, welcome to the channel. It doesn't do anything, great, better. Always have the same struggle, literally do not comprehend that this camera needs to be higher. This, perfect, great. Welcome to, no, it's a bit high, a little bit more. Perfect. Okay, so hi everybody, welcome to the channel. It's me. I'm back home. Actually, we went on our honeymoon for a couple of weeks and we just got back home like a week ago, and I just got back to work, so I'm just getting I'm getting used to, like, well, coming back and you know, everything. So we went biking and I just got home. I was sweaty as hell. He wasn't, for some reason. I don't even know how we function so differently, but I was so sweaty. It's like hot but like windy, like cloudy, so like not so good weather. So I just got home, took a quick shower. We're going out for dinner tonight, so I'm going to get ready. First thing we're gonna take care of is this. I am going to untangle my hair before doing anything, actually. So usually, I don't have battery anymore. It's fine, we'll make it work. If it turns off, I'll be back, it's fine. I use this spray. It's heat protecting and helps you untangle your hair. I don't really need it for the heat protection because I don't intend to like straighten my hair or anything. And then I go ahead and start brushing my hair, always starting from the bottom, like so, and then working my way up. And so, like, yeah, like I was saying, we went for like an hour and everything was so empty because it's like one of those weird weathers when you get like rain, like a few drops of rain, but it doesn't last. And it was pretty nice actually, because I didn't get to go biking or like go out much with my family when I was younger. So like it's scary for me when there are like a bunch of people out. I'm like terrified I'm gonna like crash into someone and like hurt them and hurt myself too, because if I fall, that's not good. So I'm always like panicking, and it was pretty nice actually. Just got rained on a little tiny bit, but it was really nice to like not be in panic mode all the time, so that was cool. Like this, I just remove all the excess hair on my brush right away, because if I don't, I forget. And hair all around my hand, and I just removed the trash can, so like I have to put everything next to me for now. Not a huge fan. And then I grab this leave-in conditioner and apply like 3 pumps each side, like so, always like with fingers open so you don't put too much product and avoid going too close to your roots. I hate recording when my like camera is signaling low battery. It stresses me out. So then again, remove all the hair. Each step is removing hair. Alright, like I have like 3 hair balls from like the shower, from brushing my hair, from like untangling my hair. Alright, so like this, and then when I leave it to dry, I usually like to remove my natural like middle part, because apparently it's not good to like always leave your part the same spot. Like it causes hair loss. I know it's gonna come back anyways, but like, and just put my hair in the back. Then I'll go ahead and wash my hands because I'm gonna be touching my face. Very important step, no matter what I have on my hair, I don't want on my face. And then my favorite part, I'm gonna put my contacts in. I really don't like doing that, but I kind of have to in the summer if I want to like wear my sunglasses, because I don't have any correction on my sunglasses. I've been really like thinking about getting surgery, but I'm a bit scared, obviously. Like I saw a bunch of, sorry, I always do this, and when I edit my videos, I always like have, when I'm doing something, I always like stop talking and then like come back to my sentence. It's very annoying to edit, and it's a bad habit. I don't know how to fix it. What was I even saying? Yeah, I saw like a bunch of negative reviews, so for my face I'm going to use this moisturizer. I really like it. Actually, I just got it from a grocery store not so long ago, and it's so fun to apply. I love this little pump, and I'm very sad that I won't be able to refill. It also has SPF, so like, wow, my skin is like very dry because this is the amount I usually use, and it's enough. Now that I just came out of the shower, apparently it's not enough anymore. I always use SPF in the summertime. I think it's also a good thing to use it in the winter time. Obviously it's a bit more important in summer. I don't always do it, it's true. It's a habit. I just don't really like the smell. It smells like summer. It's weird to have that smell in winter. It's really stupid, I know. I have eye cream. It's over there, it's fine. Let's just skip it. So then next step is my one and only Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. So I do one drop here. It's a bit more dark because I'm a little bit tan. I know you can't really tell, but I did get a tiny bit tan during our vacation, and it was, so yeah, like we went to Bali and it was supposed to be like not rain season anymore. One more here and here, but it was raining the whole time. So like we barely got to like be in the sun, but I don't really mind. I don't love getting tan. I don't really care about it. And honestly, it sounds weird, but like the rain isn't that annoying. Like over here when it rains, I want to die. It's so annoying, and it's cold. But over there, it's like the climate is like so prone to rain. Like it doesn't really matter. You're just kind of wet. It's fine. So yeah, it was great. So like, why am I even talking about getting a tan? So like I said, this is a bit darker than my usual shade, and also it's like, I don't know why I'm saying like this many times, but like in summer, but most of the time when it's summer, I don't wear that much makeup. And also I've been working from home the whole week, so I don't really do that much makeup lately, and I've kind of gotten used to it. I have my lashes, so that's enough for me. I love them so much. So I don't know, the clouds are like very weird. The lighting keeps changing. Let's do a bit. I always get red around here. I'm going to grab my Laura Mercier blush. This is very pigmented, and I've just gotten it, so like I'm still not really used to like the amount. So I just do a tiny bit here, and then I blend it with my brush, and I go upwards. I really need to get my eyebrows done as well. I don't know if you can tell. And then on this side too, but I don't have enough product. I thought it would transfer into the brush, but apparently not, because I turned it, obviously. I think I'm gonna get my phone flashlight so I can see better. Is this helping? It makes zero difference. Okay, let me just... This is better. I just opened the window, hopefully nobody's gonna scream outside. Then I grab my bronzer. That is almost finished. Brush. I need to wash them too. I haven't used them while I was gone. I do have a little cover thing for them, so like, it's a makeup artist guy, and I really love his content. And like, when the way he explains it is like so simple. And basically I started putting my bronzer a bit higher than I was for the last decade, maybe. I don't think I've been wearing that makeup for that long, actually. I started like very late teenager because my family didn't like it. So much fun growing up with brothers. And the fun part is that we don't even talk anymore. Thank you for giving me trauma and leaving, I guess. Anyways, then I go down around here as well. For blush, highlighter, I've been using my Tarte around the same area, around, a bit around here, a bit up here, and like I kind of blend doing like, it's kind of a C, I was gonna say C-section, it's not. C shape. The nose, as always. Like this, and here for fun, although it's not gonna last. And then for my eyes, I just do like a little light base under the eyebrow. and drag it down. Literally, it's always the same 2 shades. They're gone. Just a little bit here and a little bit here. Then I grab this, and I cannot find my spoolie, so like I've been brushing my lashes with it. I don't like doing that. I really need a spoolie because I know it's not very hygienic. So I go like this, and then like this. My hair is all over my forehead. And yeah, like I said, I do need to get my eyebrows done. I don't know if you can hear me or the bird. There's like a bird in like the building in front, and I every time I try to see where it is, and I can't find it, and I hear it all the time. And like, I don't know if it's because it's summer or whatever, but it's been very, very expressive lately. I'm not going to use that apparently. I'll be back. I couldn't find the thing, what's it called? Sharpener that I was looking for. So like, it looks a bit weird. Let's try. Do a little cross. Just follow it down. Like so. I can't find the thing. I think I left it there. It's fine. And then I grab my little lip gloss. It's so tiny. And I blend. As much as possible like this. That's my phone. Then what I do next is I put on all my jewelry. When I travel, I always remove everything because I would lose it if I were to lose anything. Get it? Also, I got my, I think I said it already. I said it in each and every one of my videos. If you've seen one of my videos in the past 6 months, in the past week, okay, you will, not two on the same side, you will know that a monkey stole my camera, and I was very, very, very mad about it. I mean, I was sad. I wasn't mad. I can't be mad at a monkey. Here we go. These are my favorites. These I got when I was literally a child. My mom gave them to me. I've had them forever, and these are like one of my husband's first gifts to me. So like, and they go together very well, and I don't have to remove them all the time. They're like pretty small, and the material doesn't do anything to my ears because I'm like very sensitive when it comes to like well, metals in general. A bunch of people are sensitive to fake jewelry, especially earrings. It's very itchy. I don't like it. So there we go. I have my little chain and my wedding band and my engagement ring. There we go. And that's pretty much it. My hair is just gonna do its thing. I'm gonna remove this. I don't use deodorant anymore. I use this little rock. So usually I use body mist in the summer when I'm out, and that's so expensive. I used to like get them on sale from Victoria's Secret, but like even when it's on sale, it's very, very, very expensive. So I just use perfumes, whatever I have laying around. Oh, wow. I scrubbed a bit too hard when I was showering. Oh. My phone doesn't want to unlock. It's coming back. I need to like put it in the back all the time. And then I am going to put my skirt on. It's a long skirt. I'll show you the outfit when I'm done. I'm just wearing this little black spaghetti, and then it has like this little section that you need to bring here and tie it. It's really cute. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to let me know and follow me on Instagram. Actually, I've been posting. So if you liked the video, don't forget to let me know. And if you didn't, don't forget to let me know. So yeah, thank you so much. Bye.